4 sorting algorithms, all on one screen. About 1,000 lines of Python code, 7 days of work. Not because the code is hard. The code was not the project. I am Stephen, and this is a 6-part series on what AI assistant development actually looks like when you take it seriously. The real project was testing a series of questions. Can specifications, architecture, and acceptance criteria guide AI code generation, the same way they guide human teams? This wiki is what came out of asking those questions. Currently, vibe coding means ask AI, get the code and ship it. That's not what this AI project is about. AI wrote almost every line of code, but AI did not own a single decision. 15 design documents, 81 locked decisions, and human-owned intent. With AI is the implementer. The work was broken down into 35 phases. Each one had a model assignment, exit gate, and tests. Across all 35 phases, the AI made 7 corrections, and every one of them was a linting formatting issue with 0 logic errors that got through. And that doesn't happen by accident. But when things did go wrong, they went wrong in interesting ways. In one case, all 339 tests passed. The algorithm sorted correctly. Then I ran it with duplicate values in the array. The math was right, the animation was wrong. That bug lives between the gap between correct output and correct behavior. And the gap is where AI assistant development lives or dies. The next episode is about that gap and the 27 acceptance tests that found more bugs like it. If you are working with AI tools and have felt that gap, subscribe, and the next set of episodes are for you.